Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. The holiday season is finally here. A time for love, joy, and togetherness. But let's be real, Christmas doesn't have to just be about gifts and carols. This year, why not take it up a notch and make it an unforgettable, romantic, and intimate experience for you and your partner? In today's video, I'll be sharing sensual, creative ways to bring you closer to your partner this Christmas. So, whether you're newly in love or celebrating many years together, these tips will help you connect on a deeper, more passionate level. Ready? Let's dive in. Section 1. Transform your space into a romantic wonderland. First things first, let's talk about the mood. Creating a romantic environment is all about stimulating the senses and setting the stage for intimacy. Start with lighting. Ditch those harsh overhead lights and bring in candles, fairy lights, or a warm fireplace glow. Use red and gold accents in your decor. They're festive, but also associated with passion and warmth. Next, scent. A cozy aroma can be a total game changer. Try diffusing essential oils like cinnamon, vanilla, or amber. Or light a few scented candles that evoke feelings of comfort and closeness. Trust me, the right scent can be incredibly seductive. Finally, don't forget the music. Create a playlist of smooth holiday jazz, acoustic Christmas classics, or even soft romantic tunes to set the perfect tone for the evening. Section 2. Share a romantic holiday ritual. Christmas is about traditions, so why not create a special ritual just for the two of you? Something that feels intimate and unique to your relationship. You could start the evening by decorating the Christmas tree together, but with a twist. Add ornaments that symbolize your favorite memories, or write little love notes to hang on the branches. Turn this simple activity into something meaningful and romantic. Or you could bake holiday treats together. Think gingerbread cookies or chocolate truffles, something that lets you be playful and maybe even a little messy. Feeding each other pieces of your creation is a flirtatious way to keep the mood light and fun. Section 3. A dinner to remember with a sensual touch. Now let's move on to dinner. A romantic meal isn't just about the food. It's about the connection you build while sharing it. Cook a meal together, side by side, or surprise your partner with a dinner they love. Think rich, indulgent dishes like creamy pasta, wine-marinated meats, or anything with chocolate for dessert. But here's the sensual twist. Make the dining experience interactive. Feed each other bites. Let your fingers linger when passing a glass of wine, or add a playful element, like sharing dessert with just one spoon. It's all about slowing down and savoring not just the food, but each other. Section 4. The gift of sensual giving. This Christmas, instead of just unwrapping presents, focus on the idea of giving and receiving in a more intimate way. One idea is to write your partner a love letter or a desire letter. Share what you admire about them, your favorite memories together, and even a few fantasies you'd like to explore. Reading or hearing those words can be deeply connecting and incredibly arousing. Another idea is to create a sensual gift box. Fill it with items like massage oils, silk blindfolds, or a playful card game designed for couples. These gifts aren't just fun. They're an invitation to spend quality time together in a very special way. Section 5. Sensual activities to deepen connection. Now that the mood is set and the gifts are exchanged, it's time to focus on activities that deepen your bond and heat things up. Start with a couple's massage. Light some candles, use a warm massage oil, and take turns pampering each other. Focus on areas that carry stress, like the shoulders, neck, or lower back. But don't be afraid to let your touch linger in more intimate places. Another idea is to take a luxurious bubble bath together. Add bath salts or essential oils to make it extra special. Use this time to relax, talk, and enjoy the physical closeness. The warm water, combined with the intimacy of being together, creates the perfect prelude to a night of connection. Section 6. Playful, flirty fun. Sometimes, the best way to build intimacy is by keeping things light and fun. Play a holiday-themed game with a romantic twist. For example, you could do a flirty version of truth or dare. Each dare could involve something holiday-themed and sensual, like kiss your partner under the mistletoe, but only using your nose. Or you could use a deck of cards with romantic challenges written on them to spice things up. The goal is to laugh, connect, and build anticipation for what's to come later in the night. Section 7. End the evening with an intimate nightcap. Finally, wrap up the evening with a nightcap that's as sweet as your connection. Sit by the fireplace or cuddle up under a blanket. Share a glass of mulled wine, champagne, or hot cocoa topped with whipped cream. And if you're feeling playful, you can use that whipped cream in ways that aren't exactly listed on the recipe. This is your time to reflect on the day, talk about what you love most about each other, and simply enjoy being in the moment. Remember, emotional intimacy is the foundation for physical connection. It makes everything that follows even more meaningful. Section 8. A sensual finale. And of course, when the time feels right, let the evening naturally transition into something more passionate. Whether it's lighting more candles in the bedroom, putting on something festive and seductive, or simply taking your time to explore and connect, let the love and chemistry between you guide the rest of your night. Christmas is more than just a holiday. It's an opportunity to reconnect with your partner and make them feel cherished, loved, and desired. I hope these tips inspire you to create a romantic and intimate experience that's truly unforgettable. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on love, relationships, and everything in between. Share this with someone who could use a little extra romance this holiday season. Wishing you and your partner a very Merry Christmas filled with love, laughter, and connection. Until next time, take care and stay passionate.